Welcome to this week's Kline May Corner.
Thanks for joining us for the Kline May Corner today. What we'd like to talk about this morning are interest rates and what might be happening with interest rates over the next year or so. So let's start with how mortgages work. When a person goes to a bank and applies for a mortgage, if they get that loan, the bank in some cases will keep that loan and service it for the whole time the homeowner is there. But in a lot of cases, they will package that up with other loans and sell that package to investors. What this allows them to do is bring more money in and then make more loans. So for the past few years, in order to help with the economic recovery, the government has been a big buyer of these financial instruments. They have not demanded a very high interest rate because they want to help people get more money into the system and get more home loans. So that has kept interest rates at very low levels for the past couple of years. Well, recently the Fed announced that they're going to ease up on some of their buying of those mortgage-backed securities and leave that more to the private investors in the market. Those private investors are probably going to ask for a little bit higher rate of return on their investment, and what that's going to mean for folks getting a mortgage is that rates are probably going to rise in the next year. Nothing dramatic or catastrophic, but maybe by as much as a point in the next year, which could be a significant factor for somebody who's right on the edge of qualifying for that home they really want. So our advice is, if you're thinking about buying a home in the next year or so, and it's possible to go sooner rather than later, there's a good chance you'll save yourself some money on your interest rates long term if you can do that. If you have any questions about that, please give us a call at Kline May or check us out on our website at klinemay.com. Connect with one of our agents and they can give you some good advice.
Thanks for watching this week's Kline May Corner.